one thing that is both annoying and uncomfortable and can become quite unsightly is a cracked heel. These little problems can become quite a nuisance to you, as well as become very painful. A cracked heel can come from dry and thickened skin. It can also cause these unpleasant symptoms: redness, itching, inflammation or swelling, peeling skin. When you see these issues forming, it is important to take action right away. Quick action will reduce the symptoms and prevent the crack from getting deeper and bleeding. Cracked heels are caused by a variety of different things: dry air, lack of moisture, not caring for your feet properly, unhealthy diet, aging, standing for long period, improper footwear. You may also be more likely to develop cracked heels if you have been diagnosed with the following conditions: eczema, psoriasis, corns and calluses, diabetes, thyroid disease. Here are several ways to treat cracked heels right at home. 1. Lemon, salt, glycerin, rosewater foot mask. Before you can enjoy those heels again, you must heal your skin. This mask is perfect for taking care of cracked heels. What to do? Take a basin of warm water to dip your feet. Add raw salt, lemon juice, glycerin, and rose water to the basin. Soak in your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes in this water. Use a pumice stone or foot scrubber to scrub your heels and the sides of your feet. Take 1 teaspoon undiluted glycerin, 1 teaspoon rose water, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Apply over your cracked heels. This will be a sticky mixture. We suggest you wear a pair of socks and leave it on overnight. Wash off with lukewarm water in the morning. Repeat for a few days until your heels are soft and healed. 2. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is beneficial to more than just baking tasty treats. Since feet usually crack because of dry skin, keeping them moist is the secret to getting rid of cracked heels and preventing them from occurring. Here is a mixture that you can make at home to fix those dry, cracked heels. First, wash and dry your feet thoroughly. Apply a layer of vegetable oil on the cracked parts of your feet. Cover with a thick pair of socks. Leave overnight. In the morning, wash off. Repeat for a few days to get smooth and healed feet. 3. Bananas. Ripe bananas are one of the cheapest home remedies for cracked and dry heels, thanks to their moisturizing properties. Take the pulp of a ripe banana and apply it over the cracked parts of the heel and feet. Keep on for about 10 minutes and wash off. You can also create a foot mask at home using a ripe banana and avocado. Take a ripe banana and half an avocado. You can also use flesh of half a green coconut. Blend everything together in a blender. Apply this thick and creamy paste over your heels and feet. Avocados and coconuts are high in essential oils, vitamins, and fats. Because of this, the mixture treats cracked heels and keeps your feet soft and moisturized. 4. Vaseline and lemon juice. Another interesting mixture that can cure your cracked heels is Vaseline and lemon juice. Here's how to do it. Clean and dry your heels thoroughly. Once all the dirt is off, soak your feet in warm water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse and pat dry. Take 1 teaspoon Vaseline and the juice of a lemon. Rub this mixture over your heels and other cracked parts of your feet. Be sure to rub this mixture in thoroughly until it gets absorbed into your skin. Apply this mixture before going to bed and keep on overnight, wearing a pair of woolen socks. These socks help trap your body heat and increase the effectiveness of the mixture. Wash off in the morning. 5. Paraffin wax. This is a very helpful way to heal your cracked and painful heels using paraffin wax. Take some paraffin wax and mix it with either mustard oil or coconut oil. Heat the mixture in a pan until the wax fully melts. Allow this mixture to cool at room temperature. Once it's cool, apply over your feet. To get the best results, apply before going to bed and cover with a pair of thick socks. Wash off thoroughly in the morning. 6. Honey. Honey is not only a delicious ingredient to add to your tea and to your morning toast, it can also help heal your cracked and dry feet. Mix 1 cup of honey to half of a bucket of warm water. Soak your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes. Scrub your feet gently to reveal soft and supple feet. 7. Rice flour. Here's another great scrub that is an effective way to keep your feet soft and healthy using rice flour. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons of ground rice. Add a few spoons of honey and apple cider vinegar to make a thick paste. Note, if your heels are extremely dry and cracked, also add a spoon of olive oil or sweet almond oil. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes. Gently scrub your feet with this paste to remove dead skin from your feet. 8. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is an ingredient that has many benefits, both within the kitchen and in the health and beauty department. It is one of the most natural ways to get smooth and healthy heels. Here's how. Apply some extra virgin olive oil with a cotton ball. Gently massage your feet in a circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes. Wear a pair of thick cotton socks to cover. Wash off after an hour. Next, take 1 tablespoon olive oil, a few drops of lemon oil or lavender oil in a small bottle. Add an equal amount of water to it. Mix it properly to get a thick solution. Apply this homemade foot cream on your feet a few times throughout the day and before bed. 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a delicious breakfast food, but who knew that it could also take care of your heels? Mix 1 tablespoon of powdered oatmeal and some jojoba oil to make a thick paste. Apply this over your feet, concentrating well over your heels and any other cracked areas. Leave this on your heels for about half an hour. Rinse off with cold water. Pat dry. Do this every other day to remove all cracks and to heal your feet. 10. Sesame oil. Sesame oil is also an effective tool to fight against cracked and dry feet. Apply sesame oil on your heels and any other cracked parts each night before going to bed. Massage well until it mixes in the skin. Cover with a pair of socks. Repeat each night to repair any cracks and maintain beautiful and smooth heels and feet.